How do you combine multiple CSV files into one Excel workbook using a little bit of Python code? Well, it's not very hard, and built-in libraries have done the bulk of the work for you. Install Python if you haven't done so already. It'll work on any system that you're running, and then open your code editor, make a .py file. You can do that in a text editor if you want. Just save it as something .py, and it's a Python file. This is so cool. So let's go into our file here. This is a .py file that specifies that it's a Python file. We're going to import pandas and os, and these are doing all the heavy lifting for us. This is what makes this so short and possible. We are going to then define this sheets folder path. So this is where, and I'll show you where it is here. This is the folder. Here's that py script, and here's the folder where the workbooks live that I want to combine together. And as you can see, let's pull these up. These have just simply a little bit of data in here saying, hey, this is from workbook 3, this is where workbook 2, this is from workbook 1. So it's just dummy data here just to prove the point that this can be done. These are all the CSV files. And then this right here that we're defining is the combined output XLSX Excel file. So I want all three of those to be separate sheets in this final output file. And to do that, we're just using these built-in, this Excel Writer guy, and it's doing the heavy lifting for us. So we're going to check in this for if loop whether or not these are actual CSV files. And if they are, then we're going to join them together and write it using this to_Excel method. We're going to write it to that new combined output path. Then at the end, this is just for giggles, we are going to print out, hey, all CSV files have been combined into, and it's going to spit out that final path, which should be combined output XLSX. Now, if you run this and you encounter an error, you probably have not installed pip install pandas and openpyxl. These are the two things required to install. So you want to make sure those are installed. Mine is, that requirement is satisfied. And then to run it, we just say python combine.py. If you're on a Mac, you're going to have to write Python 3 and then run it. But here we run it with Python on a Windows. All CSV files have been combined. Let's check it out. There's our sheets. And if I go back here to the root, check it out. Here are the combined files. And now I've got tabs, different sheets in this workbook for each of those original workbooks, 1, 2, and 3. I hope this is helpful for you. If it was, I got a free newsletter and some other links down there where you can find and follow me. Subscribe to this channel. You know the drill. And this video will also help you out if you care to watch another. Have a great day.